This is the LifeStraw Go. It can go here, 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 every day and on your favorite adventures. You can fill it up with water from here, here, or here, and filter it on the go. Drinking water straight from these sources sounds risky. It's not. We've taken similar technology that we use to provide safe drinking water to millions here and just put it here. The LifeStraw Go is available in 22-ounce and 1-liter sizes. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that trap bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. Then, an activated carbon filter absorbs chemicals like chlorine, herbicides, and pesticides for improved taste. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 1,000 gallons, and the activated carbon filter lasts up to 26 gallons. So the detachable, replaceable filters allow you to use your bottle indefinitely. Carabiner included, this lightweight, durable, BPA-free Triton plastic bottle is the only bottle you'll need when you're on the go. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.